everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with, I feel like one of the, I'm very excited about this release. So excited because I have exclusive art that I've been really excited to release. I have one of my favorite foil bundles ever. I have a new product, and then I also have the release of the limited edition listing, so that will be up on Wednesday, and I have some new items to add, and then we will also be restocking, I think, everything that was sold out, like the Champagne Lights bougie boxes, as well as the matte bronze label sampler. So let's go ahead and get into this because I am so excited. Let's start first with the new item that I'm releasing, and we are releasing new scribblers, and I'm so excited for these. So for this week, I just have two designs, and the first one is kind of goes along with a kit that's releasing this week, but I just wanted to kind of see what y'all thought of these. So this is the new scribbler design. This is the birthday scribbler, and I think they are adorable. So like fam options, I figured I would do the same combos. So this is option number 1. So this is like a very kind of neutral outfit with a pink hat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute, and I love the sizing of them. So that is like the first activity. I'm not going to be doing a ton of these, but I wanted like a little base of activities. And then I also have our first kind of pop culture sheet, which this is a stepbrother sheet and goes much along with the exclusive art for this week, which I'm so excited about. So this is number 1, and I love this. I also thought this would be really cute to mark if you have a boo-boo headache type situation, or one of your kiddos gets bumped on the head or something. Super cute. So those are the new scribblers. Very excited for those. And I think I'm going to have a listing for each of the characters. So I'm going to have scribbler number 1 and then all of the activities on there so that you can pick your scribbler and just shop from the listing. And then there'll be a separate listing with any pop culture ones in there as well. So that'll all be in the new release section, of course. Then, like I said, we will be releasing the limited edition colorway this week, and not the limited, I guess the limited edition foil colors. So that listing has black bougie boxes on it. It has the matte bronze stuff on there. You have Champagne Lights and Lavender Hollow. So we do have a restock of a lot of the sold out items. I just wanted to mention, just in case anybody gets this and they're like, what's actually going on? They actually changed the backing of this. The paper itself is the same. It's just a clear back now, which I thought was super interesting. So we will have matte bronze label samplers. I think those were sold out. Champagne Lights bougie boxes. And I'm not sure if anything else was. But we also will have the addition of the mini icons in all 3 foil colors, as well as the new scripts, the sampler sheet in all 3 foil colors as well. So those will be going into that listing. Also wanted to mention that there is a collection on the homepage of extras, kit extras that are going to be discontinued. I have the date that they'll be discontinued. It's in June on there, and I think there's 16 different collections extras are going to be discontinued on that date, just to make room for others. Then we have the color of the week for the doodles, which is a really pretty burnt orange / gold. It is the 10 normal sheets, and as always, there will be a buy all option for ease of adding them all in, which has a slight discount, and that is sheet 10. Then for the foil bundle, I am so excited. So I didn't plan on releasing this for a while, and then I told Kirsten just to collate me up a foil bundle, and she gave me this one, and I was like, I guess it's time. She is so beautiful. I'm so excited. This is a new format, and it has a couple special things to it that I'm so excited for. I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is a mixed metal foil bundle, and I think that I can say confidently that this is my favorite foil bundle ever. I'm probably going to go to work and get at least 10 more of them because it's stunning. It is a mixed metal of Champagne Lights and gold, and I am actually obsessed. So some of the sparkles shine, and then some of them have the glittery twinkle. This is in the new format, which is called Shimmer. And I am obsessed. I've been talking about this foil bundle format for a while, and the design, about how it's pretty neutral, a little less neutral than a confetti, but a little bit more neutral than a star. This is going to be perfect for magical kits, anything whimsical, honestly, very anytime. So you have your standard 6 boxes and then your glitter header overlays. I'm just obsessed. I think it just gives it so much dimension, and I think this is going to be like a top used foil bundle in my planner. So you get 2 sheets of those. An exciting thing about this one is we have patterned bougie boxes in this, which I am so excited about, and they are so pretty. So it just has the shimmer print on it, and I literally cannot. I am obsessed. Then for this page here, we did put in the new scripts to try those out and see what y'all think. And they do have the like mixed metal effect. You can see like in the YouTube binge how YouTube is sparkly and then binge is like the flat color and like Happy Meal. It's so pretty. It's one of those ones you have to see in person and you're gonna die. It's just so beautiful. Then this is the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bows and the 15mm overlay. I literally cannot. Like, honestly, seriously, I'm obsessed. This is my favorite foil bundle ever. And I am, for sure, like I said, taking 10 out of stock for me because they're just so pretty. And I am going to use that foil bundle. And the great thing about this one, I feel like, is you can totally bring in your gold as to like supplement with more stuff. Like if you want to bring in some coat box or something, gold is a perfect match. But it has like something like elevated to it, and I love that format because I feel like it's just like a fun neutral. Do you know what I'm saying? Then let's go into the kits for this week. I have 1 reformat and then 2 new kits, one of them being exclusive art. This one I am so excited about because I've always wanted to do this theme, and I've just been feeling fun with my themes, and this is a Step Brothers themed kit, and I am obsessed. Step Brothers is probably one of my top 3 favorite movies ever. I just think it's so funny. I used to watch it all the time in high school with my BFF Brie, and there's just so much in here. The more you look, the more you see, like the dog poop. I mean, come on. So perfect. And I feel like Kitnish Jess, who did the art for this, killed it. I'm obsessed. So these are the full boxes here. Then you have the deco page, and I love these colors. Very like kind of goes with the colorway of the movie. Then you have the Step Brothers there on the movie marquee. I did that with the Goonies kit as well. And then the secondary scene is the bunk beds, which I just think is perfect and an iconic scene. You have the half boxes page, the little things page, solid pattern labels, and then the bottom washi. And you had to have a boats and hose full box. I'm obsessed with this kit. I think it's so funny, so perfect. The extra freebie in the kits is the black color, and I love this like tie-dye print, and I just cannot wait to use this. I am using it in August. I'm using it for Bree's birthday, but this is definitely an anytime kit. I love Step Brothers, and I am pumped to use it. Also, I did have /request Hannah to do Step Brothers quotes, Plan a Hannah, and she has those in her shop right now. So if you want to get something to match, I think that'd be perfect. They have so many quotes, like that would be perfect for it, and I want to use all of them. So love that. It also does come in a mini kit, and then you can add on if you'd like the functional, the ombre, the label, the color label 2, which is like a nude, and then also there is the doodles, which I love. I love this colorway, and I cannot wait to use this kit, and I'm definitely going to watch the movie the week that I use it. Then for the reformat this week, this is Coastal, which is a reformatted, I believe, June mystery for last year. This was such a gorgeous kit. I love seeing all of the foil pairings that everybody came up with. I think this would look so beautiful with the foil bundle that's coming out this week. It's just so good. Also be really pretty with silver, gold, hollow, lavender hollow, a light blue, a light pink, like a color, like a blue color like this. There's just so many options. I love this kit. So this is just a very like coastal beachy themed, and I love the like food box, the board games. It's just beautiful. I'm obsessed. This is like a newer box to this set. Half boxes, little things, labels, pattern labels, the extra box, the bottom washi, and then the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is the summer doodles in the colors of the kit. I thought that would be perfect in case you're using this to mark things in summertime. So that is the Ultimate kit. It also does come in a mini kit. And then let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options. So first thing is there is the doodles, there is the functional, the ombre, the label sampler, and then the label sampler too, which is this gorgeous, like, little bit of a darker pink. And then there is also FAM options. So these FAM options are both tall boxes. So this is FAM 1, FAM 2, FAM 3, FAM 4, FAM 5, and FAM 6. And I am definitely going to be reusing this kit. I don't know if it's going to be this year because my summer lineup is getting a little bit packed, but it's going to be this year or next year. I don't know which one, but I am reusing it, and I cannot wait to use the tall option. And it does make like a tall scene. If for some reason you wanted to maybe like do a little flippy flap, that'd be adorable. So that is the second kit. And then the last one is called Galaxy, which is kind of a play on like the marble kit that I did. Super cute. They're great if you want to use like a lot of quotes or really fun full box overlays. I know Planet Hannah has really cute like full kind of like star overlays would be cool, or we have star full box overlays, and also Crust Press has really cool like, what are they called? Astrology, maybe? Celestial overlays as well. So this is called Galaxy, and this is so pretty. I think it's just calling for some quote overlays. I think it'd be really pretty, kind of like deep dark look with like foil on top. It's gonna totally pop. It has the same kind of deco sheet, since there is no deco in the kit, as the marble, where there are a bunch of cutout shapes, which are perfect for like layering in your spread or using as deco. And they have all the different colors in here, and I am just obsessed. I'm for sure going to be using this kit. I don't know if I'm going to use it in my regular planner or my work planner, or what foil option I'm going to use, but it is going to happen. I think like a purple foil would even be really pretty with this, or a blue. Oh, it's so fun. I love the gradient bottom washi, and then the tall box is just like a really pretty scene as well, and that is Galaxy. It also does come in a mini kit, and then there are add-on options. I'm just obsessed with these colors, and I love dark kits. I think that's why I love like Christmas time in the fall so much, just for like darker kits, and the way that foil pops on those kits just blows my mind. So you have the doodle, the functional, the ombre, the label, and then the extra color add-on if you want to add that on, which is like a little bit of a lighter purple. So pretty. So that's everything for this week. This is probably one of my favorite releases. Oh, it's just so good. I am so excited to use these kits, especially the Step Brothers one. I have been like looking at that for so long now, and I'm like, when is there going to be a slot available to release you, because you're beautiful and I love everything about you. And then also our new characters I'm super excited about. I'm still going to be doing new doodles. I just have been like super busy, so I haven't had any additional additions to those. Does that even make sense? I don't know. But there will be more doodles coming in the future, but right now we're just doing some character weeks. We're still going to be doing the colors of the week. Definitely also check out that extras section of all of the extras that are going to be discontinued. I think it's mid-June. Otherwise, I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.